Welcome back to Dad Deals for more things you should be buying over at Harbor Freight in February 2025. In just a couple weeks, they're going to have their first parking lot sale of the year, and that's going to kick off the first week in March. I already have a video on that whole ad breaking it all down for you. And of course, I'll have a March video when that time comes. And I was also able to find this leaked copy of sort of their parking lot sale schedule. And as you can see here, things are really going to start heating up. We're kind of in a drought right now from Black Friday until March. But once March hits, there's going to be a parking lot sale in March, of course. There's going to be one in April right after it from about April 7th through the 13th. And there's going to be one in June 2nd to June 8th. So if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I'll have links to all these ads as soon as they come out to keep all you guys informed and hopefully help you plan out your purchases to get you the best deals. So stay tuned. There's a lot of good coupons out right now and a lot of good deals, especially for ITC members. But sit back, relax, and I'll break it all down for you. Of course, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So first off, today is the last day for the President's Day sale. This is a 15% off any single item coupon. And this really doesn't have very many exclusions at all. You just can't really stack it on top of other offers. But this can apply to pretty much any product that Harbor Freight sells. So it's a great time to buy those items that rarely go on sale, or maybe some new items out there, like maybe the Hallmaster trailer or maybe the Hercules dust collector. But today is the last day that you can take advantage of this. One new item that's hitting stores, it really hasn't been at my store yet, so I haven't really got eyes on it. But this is the Predator 2000 watt power station. So this is kind of the upgrade from that basic one that we've seen in stores recently. I know a lot of you have been waiting for this one. This one features 4 AC outlet ports, 3 USB-C ports, and 3 USB-A ports. The price on this one is $950, so you would definitely want to try to use a coupon with that. One thing I really like about this power station is I love the onboard storage. I really don't know why some of those other more established brands don't do this on their power stations. Because with these power stations, you're going to have about 3 cords. You're going to have one for solar panels, one for car charging, and one for just outlet charging. So it's great to be able to keep all these in this in a nice, convenient way. But I'm still holding off on these. I know some people disagree with me on this. I really want my power station to have an app that I can remotely control this. I'm really shocked that Harbor Freight doesn't have this feature yet, but to me, that really does make these a deal breaker. So my recommendation is still to go with a brand like EcoFlow or the Anchor Solix line or Blue Eddy or something like that. I've reviewed a bunch of them on this channel. I still think they're a better value than this one right now over at Harbor Freight. All right, some new coupons that just dropped are these Dollar Days coupons. These are the really cheap items. Here are the Pittsburgh 6-inch diagonal cutters. So just some basic cutters here. These are just $2. You have the detail brush set, a 6-piece set. You get a nylon, brass, and steel version. And this is just $2, no brainer there. The Pittsburgh clamps, these are the 6-inch ratcheting bar clamps. A lot of people don't know this, but you can actually reverse these and use them as spreaders. So if you need to spread out some wood or a project, these can also be used for that. But these are just $3 right now. These silver tarps are my personal favorites. These are the heavy-duty all-purpose tarps that Harbor Freight sells, and they have the 7-foot 4-inch by 9-foot 6-inch version for just $7 right now. You also have this nylon pry bar kit. It's a 4-piece set for $5. If you do a lot of trim work on your car, anything like that, you don't want to scratch anything up, these are really nice. Here are your steel pry bars. You get a 2-piece set for just $4. And then one of my favorite ways to deal with bike storage in my garage is to use these jumbo bike hooks. They're really easy. You just screw them right into a stud and you can hang the front bike tire and it sort of hangs them vertically. It does a great job at kind of getting them off the floor and getting them out of the way. These are just $1 right now. And then one more dollar item. Here's the Pittsburgh, just a basic Phillips screwdriver. It has a nice comfort grip handle and a long nose on it. But this is just $1. Harbor Freight sells a couple of these pistol grip tire inflators. Here's the premium version. This is under the Merlin brand. This has an analog gauge on it, but this is $40, 20% off right now. The battery operated liquid transfer pump is just $8, 40% off. I actually use this a lot with my fish tank. Doing water changes, it just makes it a lot easier than using a siphon or something like that. But you can also use these to put gas and maybe a riding lawnmower. I also use it for that. A lot of uses for these and just $8. Here's some nice Doyle 8-inch bolt and wire cutters. These are $5. And also some heavy-duty long nose pliers from Doyle for $10. I really like these Doyle products. I think they're sort of a sleeper brand at Harbor Freight along with Quinn Tools, where you don't really need the Icon quality level, but you want something a little bit step up from the Pittsburgh. Check out the Doyle and Quinn lines. Here's a ratcheting crimper. So if you do with a lot of car or boat electronic work and you use those butt connectors, these can crimp them down for you nice and easily with the ratcheting action. These are $15. I mention these a lot on the channel, but I really think if you are a parent out there, you push around a stroller a lot, get as many of these as you can. They can hang water bottles from them. You can hang a ton of stuff from them, and they're just 99 cents over at Harbor Freight. These are much higher priced at any of the other stores out there, especially if they're designed specifically for strollers. Just get these at Harbor Freight, 99 cents. Here's a nice flashlight. This is the Braun 400 lumen rechargeable waterproof spotlight. This is $15 if you're a boater. This would be a great light to have on board with you. This is an IP67 waterproof rating. It's still cold out there in a lot of places, including here in southeastern Virginia where I live. But here is the Bauer forced air propane portable heater. This is kind of your basic heater right here. Goes into a propane tank. These are loud, but they can heat up a space really quickly. And this is 15% off right now at $85. Here's a nice steel garden cart. That would be great for some spring planting and mulching. This is a 1,200 pound capacity steel cart, has removable sides on it and nice big pneumatic wheels for $150. Here's a nice car washing brush. It can extend really far as flows through the water and the soap. So if you have a big truck or boat or anything like that, RV, this would be great to have. This is $15. I love these Quinn putty knives, especially this multi-tool down here. And here you're getting a complete set, a 4-piece set of those for $10. That's a great price. They have really nice handles on them. And on a lot of other brands, you're going to be spending at least $10 on just their multi-purpose tool right here. But here you're getting some other putty knives as well. So just a nice set there. Great price on these spring clamps. They're just 89 cents. If you go camping a lot, these are great for holding tablecloths on picnic tables. So you can get maybe 2 or 4 of them for $2 or $4 or even under that. So a great thing to just have in your truck or have in your camping gear. Here's a nice price on the Pittsburgh 1/2-inch drive impact deep socket set. You can pick either standard or metric here, and these are $20 for a set. These oscillating multi-tool blades are always crazy expensive, but here's a nice price. You always try to get these on sale and stock up. But here is a plunge and flush cutting blade for wood, and this is $5. The next deals are for Inside Track Club members only. That's that yearly subscription that gets you early access to sales and even more coupons and deals. But here is the Bauer 2000 PSI electric pressure washer. Comes on a nice wheeled cart with a hose reel built into it. This is $170 right now. There are now 3 versions of this. There's the 2300 PSI version. That one's about $250. You can also get that on sale for usually around maybe $200, a little bit more than that. They also have this 3000 PSI version, and that is listed at $350. So just depending on your needs here, I really like this one at just $170. I think that's a great price for it. But if you do want a little bit more power and also a brushless motor, wait for this one to go on sale. That's the 2300 PSI version. Some propane torches on sale. Here is the Greenwood propane torch. This one has the push button igniter on it, and this one's on sale for $27. You also have a cheaper one here that's just the propane torch. Doesn't have that easy start, but this one's $18. I love all these Bauer woodworking tools that are coming out, and here is that new floor standing drill press. So it's great to see this going on sale. This is $470 right now. You also have some headlamps on sale. Here is the 500 lumen headlamp from Braun. This one's just $10. You also have the 1400 lumen version for $30. That's a lot of light from a headlamp. And then another Braun light here is an LED pin light, 200 lumen for just $5. Socket rails from US General are on sale. You can choose either standard or metric versions. These are $13 right now. A great way to keep all your sockets organized. You also have a new 2-step step stool right here for $22.50. I really like this Bauer T-shank jigsaw blade set. Comes in a nice storage case. It's a 30-piece set. It's going to give you all the blades that you'll ever need on a jigsaw for just $10. Here's a really nice fluid extractor if you're doing any fluid changes on your car. This is really a must-have, and this is $100 right now. Here's a trailer lock. This one's on sale for $9. Comes with 2 keys, but this can lock a trailer to your hitch. These Bauer flap discs are great for sharpening lawnmower blades. That's really what I mainly use them for. These work great with that cheap angle grinder that Harbor Freight sells, but these are on sale for $4 right now. Another product I really love is this from the Blaster brand, which makes a bunch of great products, but here is their rust protecting surface shield. If you store anything outside, like I store a tow behind aerator outside, this is great to spray it down with to really protect it. It really does a great job of keeping things from getting rusted. And this is $8 right now for ITC members. And then last up, we have a new item. These are some generator storage covers. So if you own one of those Predator generators, you can get these in medium or large. But these are a really nice price at just around $12. I think the large one is a little bit more, a couple dollars more, but a nice cover for those generators. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Again, if you find the video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.